Alright, cool. Let's see if I can do a YouTube intro here. I don't normally do these. I normally just get right into videos. Taking the good old F4i out. Don't really plan on going anywhere. Not too far anyway. You'll see why in a second. So if you'll notice, my bright lights are on. It's because my low beam burnt out. So I had to have my brights on to be seen, especially with it getting dark out. So that should last. That should be good. I'll put LEDs in it soon. My dyno needs a rear tire. It's bald as shit. Videos with that coming out at some point. Road King is back. Video coming out for this one. I love this Road King so much. The only issue I have currently is this turn signal on the left side here, my clutch side. They've got integrated signals. I said signal at first. They're mirrors, but they have integrated signals, and that one flashes randomly because the what's it called? I can't think of what it's called right now. The resistor is going out. They're freaking out. Oh, another thing too with this bike, I'm sure y'all have noticed that F light keeps on going on. So I use a phone speedometer, which is awesome. Normally I have music going, but my Cardo's almost dead, so I'm not gonna have music. I'm just gonna yap at y'all with a video. I love having to go through an ad to get to my speedometer, though. That's crazy work to me. Turn my brightness down. Ignore all the people trying to get a hold of me. I'm not going to be going riding. I don't want to talk to people at this second. No, thank you, candy jar, jam, whatever the fuck you are. Yeah. Word up. And I have checked that against my GPS. It is accurate, so it's not like a roundabout. It's like spot on. Anyway, I'm gonna rock this Moto Jack hoodie and let's go have fun. I say fun, but it's really just gonna be a chill cruise. Goodbye, other bikes. Whoa, I can't see shit. Crazy. Man, I need to get one of those hoodies that has like a, or a shirt that has the string in the back, so that way I don't have it right up. He had underglow on that. That's fucking dope. One of those like Scion truck things. Believe it or not, this bike also has underglow. However, it is red, so I never use it. I'm surprised my speedometer is working right this second, honestly. I don't foresee that being there for very long. See if I can do my little hack here where I grab my t-shirt and tuck it up under my belt. It's a little chilly out. I don't really feel like getting cold wind up the back. So how's your guys' summer been so far? I was hoping this was going to be like one for the books, but so far it's been kind of like it's been fun, but that bagger I pointed out earlier has been broken for most of it. This was broken for, or not broken, this needed maintenance for most of it, mainly tires and a chain and brake pads. And this fucking bar end that disappeared on me, that I had to buy a new one and wait a month for. And I got used by a woman, big shock. Big shock. F in the chat, or L in the chat, or both. How's y'all summer been though? I'm hoping to salvage it in August. Today is August 1st even, so that should tell y'all how long it takes me to get videos out. You know, I'm not going to take the freeway. Let's go the back way. Why not? The back way takes an extra whole 5 minutes. And I feel like it's more fun. And we're all about having fun. I'm a very big yapper, but I still do believe in enjoying a ride. Everybody gonna stop? Everybody did stop. We're good. Handicap knows what's up. need to get a clear visor, one of those like photochromatic ones. I'll get a Shoei next and I'll get one of those. As much as I like being Mr. Mysterious, I kind of like being a Mr. Able to fucking see at night too. We're gonna get a green arrow? No, we're gonna get a red arrow. That sucks. At least I can do the old man thing with my knee where I... Oh, you turned off. Where I drop my knee down. Oh my god, my arthritis has been fucking killing me lately. Why are you mad at me, my knee? Why? I have done nothing to you but ride my bike. Oh, man. Oh, damn, they just cooked that truck so bad. Imagine trying to see and some lady almost blows a red light. I need to do a track day, but I cannot afford a track day. Before y'all say, oh, but if you can afford motorcycles, how can't you afford a track day? Because I have a credit score, and that's how I get motorcycles. I finance. Oh my gosh. T-shirt, please. Okay, let's tuck that shit up. And then pull my hoodie back down. There we go. It's a little bit better. I hope. Oh, I guess we'll be at the front of the queue at least. I'm American. I don't know why the hell it's a queue, but we understand. I hate that everything has LEDs. I thought that truck was a fucking cop. I mean, it's got firefighter plates though, so. Shit. He launches. Over. All right. He's just driving. Fuck. Oh well. Front of the line again, at least. I was gonna hit these at speed, but by the time I get through this one yellow, that'd be red as shit, and I'm not about to do that. Ooh, nice Porsche. Oh, man, he popped like a motherfucker again. Why are you so mad at me? There's not a cop behind us at least, so when this shit turns green, we can go. She is just staring. Because God forbid a white boy catches a vibe. I haven't even done anything illegal. I was gonna try and smack your windshield, but you're too far away. I'm gonna shout this guy out. He's gonna have no fucking idea who the hell I am.